Sustainability. When we talk about sustainability, it's about ensuring that the current generations meet their current needs without compromising the ability of the future generations to meet their needs. When it comes to our engineering, we need to make sure that our engineering exists now and it's able to exist 1,000 and in the future in the quality that it's supposed to be at. When you talk about sustainability, it touches around economic, environmental, and social. And there are various aspects that come to it when it comes to engineering. For instance, we need mentorship. Mentorship means we talk to young children, we talk to current students, we talk to the young engineering graduates, so that we make sure that the profession continues now and for the future to come. So as IEK, while working in IEK, I would like to ensure that there is a lot of mentorship to make sure that the engineering profession continues to exist and that the current generations will get interested in embracing it to ensure that we have a future in engineering. Another additional point is about offering apprenticeship opportunities to recent graduates or students who are almost in their final years. This ensures that we transfer hands-on knowledge and that such engineers will be able to quickly transition to the next level of professional engineering. When it comes to the social well-being of an engineer, much has been talked about the fair remuneration. We know it's not equally fair in the whole of Kenya, and this is a point that we would like to address. So when we get into IEK, it will be important to negotiate with Engineers Board of Kenya and the policy makers around engineering that we have a fair starting point for all engineers. When they graduate from university, when they get engaged in organizations, we need to negotiate, and EBK needs to follow up and enforce that all organizations meet the minimum requirement when it comes to remunerating engineers when they join them. So fair remuneration ensures the sustainability of engineers, because when they're not fairly remunerated, you find them ending up in other professions like banking, or they move to other professions that are not engineering where they are better pay, and this means we keep losing engineers, and that touches negatively on the sustainability of engineers into the future. When it comes to projects that involve foreigners, because as a country, we know we are in the Big Four agenda and there's a lot of infrastructure projects. These infrastructure projects attract foreign contractors. So this also again touches on sustainability. When we bring in foreign contractors, we need to ensure that they embrace locals to work in those projects. One way to make sure this is well done, we would, as IEK, we would work together with EBK that on an online platform, because we will go digital, we will have this online platform where all foreign contractors will be required to register and even list the projects that they're working on, and even update how many of our local engineers, both professional graduates, they've engaged. That way, when we have them on this platform, we are able to see how many foreign contractors are in the country. Are they more than the locally trained engineers? How many people are they engaging at any one particular time? And we will be talking of accurate data of how many foreign contractors do we have in the country and how many of our local members are they engaging in these projects. And that way, if it is a technology or a process that they're bringing in that maybe we say there is not local expertise, by engaging our people, it means there will be knowledge transfer, and again, there is sustainability in maintaining whatever they bring in and we work on and execute, and so we don't need to depend them on maintenance, and we are self-sustaining on running those projects when they are commissioned. My name is Engineer Lucy Wanjiku Mutinda. I am vying as First Vice President for the Institution of Engineers of Kenya. I stand for digitization and sustainability of the engineering profession. On the 23rd of March 2020, please log in and ensure to cast your vote. Vote for me as your first Vice President, IEK 2020. Thank you.